Hey guys, welcome back. This is James, co-founder of Huggery and designer of the interface. In this short video, we're going to talk about the TR or TR code scan tool and how useful that is both in the marketplace app and for businesses. The TR code is a very unique tool both for businesses to advertise as well as bringing awareness and for donations to validate tree planting efforts. By clicking on the gear, this toggles the map to view TR tags in your area. TR tags can be created by any business, and you can view these postings by clicking on them on the map. In the TR tag post, you can see the TR number at the top, view 3 photo thumbnails, view the description. If you scan the QR code at the location where the planting project is, it unlocks the ability for you to comment on that geocoded planting project. Click on Visit Business to view the store who created the TR tag. We hope that people worldwide use this app and help tree planting efforts be coordinated, be verified by our tree tagging or TR code tagging system. Hey guys, this is James again. We're going to take a look at another Huggery Marketplace app feature. The carbon footprint calculator, let's take a look at that one. Let's check our calculation on a small car usage of 30 miles a month. This is a great way to see an estimation on how much carbon footprint you have. Then let's go down and take a look at electricity usage. Say we have 800 per month. Then we can scroll down to the bottom and see our totals. Total annual amount, total monthly amount of offset gases, and then the amount of trees we would need annually and monthly to offset that carbon gas. Thanks again for watching this quick tip on the Huggery app marketplace. We have more tutorial videos as well as promotional videos, but check us out, follow us on our platforms, share us, and join our community.